Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 5th of May 2021 at 8 PM at British Summer Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. And there are a couple of new European retailers as well. They are Art Create IU, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, so I do apologise, and Card Nouveau as well. So I will have links to the shops down below in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. But as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you, have a look at the sets and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So first of all, this is the Love Roo set. This is absolutely adorable. These kangaroos have absolutely stolen my heart. They're just so cute. So you've got two different sizes really kind of thing of kangaroos. So they could represent like parents and children or grandparents and children, but you could definitely use them in lots of different ways, not necessarily as kind of family as such. So you've got like ones with the little backpack on, which are absolutely adorable, the two kind of hugging, one sort of like look like he could be going to hug someone. I just think they're absolutely adorable. And then the kind of older ones as well with the little bag there, so cute. You've got Uluru or the Ayers Rock there as well, which you can create lots of different scenes with. And then the sentiments are all kind of like mix and match sentiments, which is really good. You've got things like happy birthday to Roo, and then you've got like I love Roo, and you could do daddy, mom, and you've got like hello you, love Roo, I turned out great, hug me, hey, well done, hi, two kisses, and you're my wallaby. Just an absolutely adorable set. So this is the card that I made using that set. I first of all kind of masked off the outside edge, and then I stamped the two kangaroos. I thought it'd look cute having like a mum and a child, and then stamped out the sentiment below. Like I said, showed you like the mum is separate, so I just kind of stamped them on a line. And then I did some ink blending in the background with Distress inks. I used the Sunny Day stencil for the sun rays. I thought it looked quite good, kind of like behind the kangaroos, and then did some Copic colouring with those, added some kind of dots and things like that for the ground. Next up is the Book Smart set, another all-round kind of great set for lots of different occasions. So if you especially love reading and books and things like that, this is great. But even if you didn't, I think this is just a cute set. So you've got all of the different foxes with their books, some sitting on top of the books, one's reading, and then you've got these kind of chicks here. I think they're chicks, but they probably could be ducks or something like that as well. Then there's lots of different things that they could be sitting on. So you've got like the kind of log there, and then the other log, I'm trying to think what they're called, but you know what I mean, that they can be sitting on. And what I love about Clearly Besotted sets is they make use of all of the little space. So you've got things like flowers that you could add to the scenes, like a pencil, butterfly and heart and stars and kind of movement marks and things like that. Their sentiments read, you are fantastic, wow, A to Z or A to Z, depending on where you are in the world. ABC, yay, go away, I'm reading, be book smart, hey, hi, just your tweet. Just like I said, a really fun set. So this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the fox reading first, and then stamped out the cute little chick, and I thought it looked like he was reading to the chick. I just thought that was absolutely adorable. I masked them both off and then stamped out the log with the little toadstool there and kind of like the leaves and stuff. And then I masked them all off and then did some ink blending in the background with Distress inks again. And for this one, I used the freshly cut stencil and used these kind of grass blades here. I thought it looked quite nice sort of having them kind of behind the scene, and then just stamped out the sentiment there at the top. Next up is the Supermarket Sweep set. This is such a fun set. I didn't get a chance to use it this month. I ran out of time, but it is so fun. There is a TV show here in the UK. It was on when I was younger, and I believe they may have revamped it. I'm not 100% sure, but there's contestants in a TV show, and they answer questions, and if they get them right, they can run around the supermarket and grab any kind of thing that's on the shelves and put them into their trolleys. We call them trolleys here. I think they're known as carts in other places, but they're, you know, what you or your, you know, the bigger version of a basket, I suppose, of what you would go around a supermarket with, putting all your stuff in to buy, and then they kind of get to keep everything afterwards. So this set reminded me of that TV show. But you've got all different characters with their trolleys, and then you've got ones just holding like a bag with a baguette and things like that. You've got like food items, you've got the toilet rolls, which is really fun, especially obviously at the beginning of the pandemic with the toilet roll shortage. You've got things that you can make up, like the background of a supermarket with things like the apples and stuff like that as well. Some great sentiments. Well done, you're on a roll. To me, you are essential. Have stacks of fun. I'd pick you every time. Let's get trolleyed on your birthday and for you. Say, just a really fun set. Next up is the Spelling Bee set. Absolutely adore these cute little bees. Lots of different ones that are kind of geared towards school, but definitely can be used for lots of different things as well. So you've got things like the reading one, the one with the kind of exam paper, holding the apple with the flower there, the one with the bag or the rucksack, which is so cute, and then the one holding the pencil. There's a honey pot there, and also the beehive on the branch. You've got things like a graduation cap, and then like a little crown. Just kind of like extra kind of movement marks and things like that. Some great sentiments, things like believe in yourself, it's cool to be clever, just because, happy bee day, excuse me, Queen Bee, first day back at school, please behave and enjoy yourself. Just so funny. Congratulations on your new hive, be mine, you'll always be my baby. You're the bee's knees, be safe, buzz, and honey. Just such a fun set. I think these sets, particularly this month, are really quite fun. So I stamped out the beehive on the branch here, and then I masked that off. I did extend the branch slightly just to fit the parameters of my card. I masked off the outside edge, and then I did some ink blending in the background with the Cloudy Days stencil. I have cut off the top of my stencil just so that it's a bit easier for me to use this kind of cloud at the top, but I really love that you've got the individual clouds at the bottom as well. And so then I removed the masks obviously, and then coloured it with Copic markers, and then I stamped out the cute little bee separately, coloured it in, fussy cut that out, and then heat embossed the sentiment there at the bottom. Next up is the Zoom in School set. If you remember last month there was a Zoom in Party set, so this is kind of like the school version or the work version. I think you could use it for lots of different ways. A lot of the images actually don't kind of represent a computer screen as such, so I think you could definitely use them just as kind of general, not kind of representing virtual learning or virtual working or virtual kind of talking or anything like that. The sentiments read, back to school, good luck, thank you teacher, capture moments, click, working 9 to 5 from home. And then you've got things that kind of do represent sort of like the virtual side of it, like am I on mute, can you hear me, I can hear you now, and that you can add into the speech bubble, which I just think is so cute because everyone kind of says those things. And so this is the card that I made using that set. I wanted to keep it more kind of generic, so I picked more of the characters that I felt were a little bit less kind of children, kind of school type thing. But like I said, I do think that they are really good in that you can use them in lots of different ways. I stamped them out, fussy cut them out, coloured them with Copic markers, and then it did the kind of like can you hear me on with the speech bubble, which I just think is so funny. I did use the 2 little extra speech bubbles. That was from the Zoom in Party set from last month, and just stamped out these kind of generic sentiment at the bottom, the capture moments, which I thought was quite good. Just did some kind of gradient distress inking in the background. And then last but not least is the Crafty characters set. This is such a great set. I think really good obviously for crafters and sewers in general. A lot of it is kind of sewing related, but there are like characters with the glue bottle and the scissors, which you can use in lots of different ways as well. And then this kind of like scene here with the dressmaker's kind of dummy or the dress form, and the sewing machine on top of the desk, which is really good. And then like I said, the other kind of characters which are more sewing related, the one holding the thread, the one with the needle, the one with the kind of wolf if you wanted to do knitting, which is really good, the one with the measuring tape, so cute. Lots of extras in this set as well, like buttons and Again, like stars and things like that you can make little scenes with. Some really fun sentiments again. Do not disturb, I'm procrastinating. You really are so lovely. You're a cut above the rest. You really measure up. Thank you so much. I'm stuck on you forever. With love, XO, snip, hi, cute as a button, keep it real, which is so fun. And this is the card that I made using that set. Again, we do have a TV show here in the UK called Sewing Bee. And what happens is everyone, like there's loads of contestants and each week they make different garments. So mainly clothing, and the person that is the worst kind of sewer on the week gets eliminated, and then it goes through each week until you get a kind of like an eventual winner. And again, this set did remind me of that. I really enjoy watching that show. I'm not a sewer myself, but I do have a friend that is a sewer, and I thought that I would colour it in the sewing machine with her colour because she's got a really nice bright red sewing machine. So I kind of made this card for her. And so what I did was I stamped out the kind of background image, masked that off, and then did ink blending, excuse me, with Distress Inks in the background, stamped out the cute little cat holding the thread, and then stamped and heat embossed the sentiment. I'll be honest with you, I wasn't quite sure where to put the sentiment on this card, but I think it works okay there at the bottom. So that was a look at the May 2021 release from Clearly Besotted. Links to the products will be in the description bar here on YouTube and also over on my blog. I would love to hear your thoughts on the release. Like I said, I think it's a really kind of fun release. So cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.